Good morning, children. In the last class of social studies, we learned chapter 2, our body. We learned about external, internal organs, and we learned about the different functions of the internal organs. We learned about brain, lungs, heart, stomach. So hope you have read the chapter. Now let's move on to the exercise of this chapter. You can take your notebook and write today's date. Write chapter 2 and the heading Our Body. We are going to write the question answers. So the first question we have, what are external organs? External organs are organs that can be seen and touched. So you can write down the question and then the answer you can write what is seen on the board here. Next question we have, what are internal organs? Internal organs are parts which are inside our body. So write down the question and answer. Next question, what does the brain do? Brain controls most of the activities of the body. Next question, how many bones are there in our body? We have learned that we have 206 bones. So write down 206. What is the function of bone? Bones helps in moving different parts of our body. After this, we have an activity. You have to draw a human body and label the parts. Draw a human body and label the external parts. Second question, paste pictures of internal organs in your notebook. Collect pictures of internal organs and paste it in your notebook. So these things you have to do in your notebook. Now you can open your text. Page number 10. We'll move on to the exercises. I'll read out. Some parts of the body that we can see are labeled below. Label the internal body part in the given blanks. So we have to label the internal body parts. The first, head and chest is given because it's an external organ. We have to label internal body parts. So the first on the left side is brain. So fill that letters with B, A, I, N, R is already given there. Second, we have heart and stomach. So you can write the names of heart and stomach in the space provided there. Fill in the blanks to know the body parts that help us in doing the following activities. The first picture, our dash helps us to think. Who helps us to think? Our brain helps us to think. So you can write down brain there. Our brain helps us to think. Second picture, our dash helps us to blow up balloons. Our lungs help us to blow up balloons. So write down lungs. Moving on to the next page, 11. Next picture, our dash helps us to digest food. The stomach helps us to digest food. So write down stomach. Next picture, the dash gives shape to our body. The bones give shape to our body. So write bones there. Now we'll write, think it over. Imagine what our body will look like without bones. Will our body have any shape? Name 2 activities which will be difficult to do if we do not have any bones. So we have learned that bones give shape to our body. We are able to move different parts of our body. We are able to eat, run, walk, write with the help of bones. So here you need to name 2 activities which will be difficult to do if we do not have any bones. So write 2 activities which will be difficult for you to do without the bones. Craft project. Take a paper file folder. On the front cover, draw and color a picture of yourself. Write your name on it. With the help of your teacher or parent, cut the center of your figure in such a way that it can be folded and lifted like a flap. Now draw your heart and your stomach in the inside cover. So whenever you fold the flap, you will be able to see 2 of your body parts. Now take a paper file folder and with the help of your parents, you need to do it. On the front cover, draw and color a picture of yourself. Now you have to cut it in the center and you can open the flap and inside you can draw a heart and a stomach. So with the help of your parents, try to do this activity. Life skills. Make a list of the food items that you eat at home over a week. Talk to your parents to know the names of the healthy food items on your list. Also, find out how unhealthy food can harm you and discuss this in the class. So, write down the names of food that you have in a week and talk to your parents to know the names of the healthy food. So, with this, we will finish this chapter to our body. So, that's all. Thank you.